Which of the following commands can be used to read n? File read n. Read method has only one optional parameter. It is given number of characters are read. So n is going to be number of characters. So technically that parameter was going to be passed. Okay. Error handling. Okay. What is the expected out of the following code? Okay. So we got the code function. We have a function. Something, try, print 23, finally print 42 function. So the correct answer is 2342. Why? It's just going to print 23. It's going to print 42 because function will try to execute print 23 and succeed, and then finally block always gets executed. So we have, what is the expected outcome of the code? Okay, function num res, which is a variable of asterisk, or however you pronounce it, the star. Okay, asterisk. Asterisk. I cannot pronounce this thing. For in range num res equals res. That means this star plus star becomes 2 stars, returns 2 stars. I don't quite get that, but function num for x in function 2, we pass 2 print x and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 2, then we multiply this by 2. No. We take 2, it goes back to here, plugs in 2, so now we have 2 plus 2, and this becomes 4. And then when you print x, you will print this in function to function, which is right here. It's going to be the string of this. It's going to take this character as a string and print it 4 times because of res times 2. It's going to become 4 because of the plus and equal. That makes sense. Try block implies that some of the instructions from this block may be executed. Your time is almost up.
How do you spell paragraph?
Okay, so we have left off here. Explanation. Here, try. In other words, here's code that does trying, and it states that just for myself, since I'm coming back, error handling. Okay, try block implies that some of the instructions from this block may not be executed, which are, in this case, multiplication, and the printing will not be executed. This one right here. Why? Because the type casting will already raise an exception. Typecasting right here. Okay, let's move on to the 35. So we have another data type example here of z equals y equals x. So all of these variables, they're all equal to 1. Each one of them equal to 1. So once we print x, y, and z separated by star. So if they're all separated by star, so this is an example here, x, y, and z separated by star. There's another example right here, x, y, and z. But that would be the case if this print function would not return these 3 parameters with this attribute right here. So that implies that 1 fills in for z and y and x, or vice versa, x, y, and z. It doesn't matter. So we have 1, 1, 1. Because prints what's in parentheses, we pass in parameter to these variables, and we actually print in what's in the actual memory space, separated by this sign that I can never pronounce correctly because of my English. It's I-strict. Let's, just for the heck of this, let's just Google how to pronounce
How?
How this right here. Okay, process. No. This. Oh my God. Like asterisk. Okay. How to, okay. Allowed to use microphone. Oh.
According to TalkDesk support, check if the applications can access your microphone. 1. Go to Start, right pointing arrow settings, right pointing arrow privacy, right pointing arrow microphone. 2. Click change to enable the microphone access.
Yeah. How do you pronounce the star?
How? How? How?
Oh my God.
Symbol.
This is crazy. Asterisk. Okay.